Hello. I know I've been changing my YouTube channel name for a bit, but I think I found one that I might stick with. It's Little Wolf and Big Wolf. This is Little Wolf,
Yeah.
my little sister, and I'm Big Wolf, obviously because of our height. Our YouTube channel, we finally found out what we want to do. We're not just going to post random videos. Sometimes we're going to do food challenges, and sometimes... when my sister's thing comes here, we're gonna do some Sims 4 videos.
Please comment what you want to do.
Please comment what you want to do. And I really keep on asking her to do My Hero Academia. And if for people who watch My Hero Academia, please comment for her to do it. Please. And
I'll do it if you get some.
Okay. And that's all. Little Wolf and Big Wolf out.